Hello and welcome to day 4 of the Salesforce Admin Mastery Series. Today we are diving in one of the most fundamental and critical concepts in Salesforce, Object Relationship. We will cover Lookup, Master Detail, Many-to-Many, and many more. Understanding this is key to building a robust and scalable application on the Salesforce platform. In Salesforce, data never lives in isolations. Think about real life. A candidate can apply for multiple job positions, and a recruiter can manage multiple candidates, and a single job position might have several candidates competing. All these connections are what we call relationship in Salesforce. So in short, object relationships define how records in one object are connected to records in another. So, why do relationships matter? Well, here why. They link related data together. They help you pull meaningful reports like show all candidates who applied for software engineer role. They make it easier to navigate between connected records. They allow us to automate process. For example, automatically updates a job position status when all candidates are hired. Without relationship, Salesforce would be like having hundreds of Excel sheets with no formula or no VLOOKUP. There are four main types of relationship in Salesforce. First one is lookup relationship, a loose link between two objects. Second one is master detail relationship, a strong dependency. Child records cannot exist without the parents. Third one is many-to-many relationship. Connect multiple records of one object with multiple of another. Fourth one is self relationship, linking a records to another records of the same objects. And to make this real, we will use the Recruitment app as our case study to understand each type. Quick example. Lookup is like having an emergency contact on your profile. It's linked but optional. Master details is like your Aadhaar and Aadhaar details. You cannot have the details without the main records. Many to many is like students enrolling in many courses and each courses having many students. Self relationship is like one recruiters mentoring another recruiters. Let's begin with our business scenario. Dano Apex Private Limited is a recruitment company that used to manage all its candidates and job openings using Excel sheets and emails. This process was full of errors, consumed a lot of time, and there was no centralized tracking. In short, the team couldn't easily find out which candidate had applied for which job. Everything was done manually. This is how Dano Apex Private Limited used to manage all their candidates and job data manually in Excel sheets. Every recruiter maintained their own copy, which made it difficult to track updates or see who applied where. Now, inside Salesforce, everything is connected. I can see candidate 1 in related field. The application is connected to their job positions, which job is applied. Everything is in one places. See, Salesforce link candidates, job position, and recruiters automatically. No more Excel sheets. Everything is smartly and connected inside a CRM. So, here what Dano Apex wanted to achieve. Maintain a single database for all candidates, job positions, applications, and recruiters. Link each candidates to the specific jobs they applied for. Assign recruiters to candidates. Track many-to-many relationship between candidates and job positions. And maintain mentorship data. One recruiters mentoring another. In short, a connected and automated recruitment system. Go to the object manager, write candidates already written, objects. Click on custom object, go to the field and relationship. The candidate object store all applicants information and the lookup fields links each candidate to their assigned recruiter. Next, go to the job, go to the object manager, write job, custom object, job position, field and relationship. The job position objects help us manage opening and their status, open field or closed. Now again go to the object manager, write applicants, custom objects, field and relationship. This is our junction objects. It connects candidates and job position together, helping us manage many to many relationship. Job position in there and candidates in there, helping us manage many to many relationship. Now again go to the object manager, write recruiter, field and relationship, and finally the recruiters object tracks our recruitments, and finally the recruiters object track your recruiters, and the lookup fields show one recruiters and mentor another, this that our self relationship. So as you can see, we have clearly defined how each object plays its role together. This object forum from a complete connected system for managing. We have clearly defined how each object plays its role together. This object forum from a complete connected system for managing recruitments inside Salesforce. Far more efficient than using spreadsheets. Here how we design our data model for the Dano recruitment app candidates with recruiters. It's a lookup relationship, application candidates, master detail relationship, application job position. It's also a master detail relationship, candidates job position, many to many relationship through the application objects. And last one is recruiters. Recruiters self relationship. Now let's open the schema builders and actually see how all these objects are connected inside Salesforce. Here you can see the candidate object has a lookup field to a recruiter, meaning every candidate is assigned to one recruiter, but recruiter can exit independently. Each application belongs to one candidate. That's why this is a master detail relationship. The application objects connected both candidate and job position, making it a junction objects. Let's create our many-to-many structure. One candidate can apply for multiple job positions and one job can have multiple applicants. That's exactly what this setup achieves. Here inside the recruiter object, we have a lookup to itself, mentor recruiter. That is a self relationship, meaning for showing mentorship hierarchy. This is our complete recruitment app data model, clean, connected, and scalable. All objects work together through a relationship, exactly how real Salesforce systems are designed. Let's start with the first two objects, candidates and job position. Candidate object fields, name, email, experience, phone, status, and assigned recruiters. It's a lookup. And then job position object fields, name, department, location, salary range, and status. This setup allows us to track which candidates is assigned to which recruiters and which jobs openings are currently active. Next, we have application and recruiter. The application object acts as a junction object. It includes fields like application number, dates, status, candidates, master detail, and job position, also a master detail. The recruiter object includes name, email, phones, and mentor recruiters. It's a lookup. This helps us to manage both job application and the mentor. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. The importance of relationship in Salesforce, the four main relationship type, the Dynamics recruitment app requirement, and how we build the data model with the right object and fields.